does it again. Tender, Loving Desire packs sex and lies and seduction and lies into one exciting double volume, featuring the ladies of Tender Loving Care, whose bags of body products are a cover for their secret lives as sexy undercover agents with big scores to settle. Touch Me Now launches Donna's new series, Sag Harbor Village, merging old and new characters with her beloved Lawsons, and introducing the dark and sexy Maurice Lawson, and Layla Brooks, the woman determined to heal his body and soul. Everything Is You, Book 4 of the Lawsons of Louisiana series, introduces freelance photographer Jacqueline Lawson, Branford's younger sister, who's returned to Baton Rouge with a secret that will rock the Lawson clan. Don't miss a line. Essence best-selling author Donna Hill's titles are available online and wherever books are sold. Visit www.donnahill.com.